What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to remove the breadcrumbs from bbPress, the forum maker plugin from WordPress. As you can see into my forum page, there is this breadcrumbs right here at the top. The plugin automatically adds this to my site, but there is some problems right here. For example, some missing points you can customize, and you may already have one on your team, so 2 breadcrumbs can break your page. How to fix it? This is what I'm gonna learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, into the browser address bar, enter with your domain plus wp-admin and enter with your login credentials, okay? After login, you're gonna be able to see this page on your dashboard, okay? Review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, there is a field called Search Plugins. Click and type bbP Style Pack. Here is the guy that I'm looking for. Click on Install Now. Then click into the Activate button. As soon as you do this, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus once again, hover mouse over settings and go to the submenu bbP Style Pack. Review the tabs. We have BuddyPress, Index, Templates, Display, Order, Display, and Breadcrumbs. Here's the guy that I'm looking for. Scroll down just a little bit, and you're going to be able to see into the very first option, Disable all forum breadcrumbs. Enable this. You can disable home as well. You can change the text or show home icon, size, change the icon, change the URL to change URL this links to, okay? You can change the route, disable. You can change the text and some other options. After doing the change you want, my recommendation is just disable because you already have one from the team into the site. So save change and no more breadcrumbs. Let's check. As you can see, it's removed, but still we have the one present on our team, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!